to Group 6, your go-to podcast for insightful discussion on issues that matter. I'm Chad.
And I am Honey,
your host. And today, we're diving into a topic close to the heart of many Filipinos, the trending issues about jeepney phase-out.
So let's explore how these local issues connects to the broader context of globalization. So what is globalization in simple words? It is a term used to describe how trade and technology have made the world into a more connected and interdependent place. It also captures in its scope and economic and social changes that have come about as a result.
But before that, let's greet our viewers. Hi to our viewers out there and good afternoon to all of you guys. Hi partner, how are you?
I am doing well.
Wait, that's great partner. Are you excited what about we're going to discuss our podcast today?
Yes, I am very delighted.
Wow, that's great partner. So let's start. So the first is the jeepney as a cultural icon. So first question partner, what makes the jeepney such an integral part of a Filipino culture and why has it become a symbol of Philippine transportation?
So, the jeepney's unique design, vibrant art, and communal seating make it more than just a mode of transport. It's a cultural icon reflecting the resilience and creativity of the Filipino people. However, with progress comes change. The jeepney is facing a significant transformation.
Exactly, partner. The jeepney with its vibrant color, communal seating, and adaptability embodies the resilience and creativity of a Filipino people. Not serving just not a mode of transportation, but it also a cultural icon that reflects a spirit of community and resourcefulness. Its distinctive design and ubiquity in Philippine streets make it symbol of the nation's unique and lively approach to public transportation. Right, partner?
Yes, partner. So next is the need for modernization. So next, partner, and this is for you.
Yes,
Why is there a push for the jeepney modernization program, and how does it address the challenge faced by traditional jeepney fleet?
So the modernization aims to address issues like air pollution, safety concern, and efficiency. Newer eco-friendly vehicles with improved safety features are envisioned to replace aging jeepney fleet, providing a more sustainable and efficient public transportation system.
So to add on to your answer, partner, jeepney modernization is by introducing newer, eco-friendly vehicles with improved safety features. The program aims to create a more sustainable and efficient public transportation system, prioritizing the well-being of passengers and aligning with contemporary environmental standards.
Yes, partners. So let's proceed to local impact and jeepney drivers and operators. And this is for you, partner. How is the jeepney phase-out impacting the livelihood of drivers and operators, especially those who have been part of this industry for generations?
So for many, the jeepney is not just a means of income but a way of life.
Yes.
The transition brings challenges including the financial burden of upgrading or replacing their vehicles. The human impact on the drivers and operators is a significant concern.
Indeed, partner. So the jeepney phase-out is profoundly affecting the livelihood of drivers and operators who have been a part of this industry for generations.
Yes.
So as the transition requires significant financial investment for upgrading or replacing vehicles, posing a considerable burden on these individuals and their families.
Yes, partner. Did you know that I have a trivia for you and for our viewers?
Yes.
So did you know that the jeepney is first made from the leftover U.S. jeeps after the World War II and our national symbol in the Philippines, and serve as a backbone of the country's transport system.
Oh, I haven't known that, partner. So let's proceed to connecting local transport and global urbanization.
So how does the jeepney phase-out align with global trends in urbanization and public transportation?
Well, globally, cities are modernizing their public transportation to address environmental concerns and improve efficiency. This jeepney phase-out reflects the Philippine commitment to align this global urbanization trends, promoting sustainability and innovation in public transportation.
Certainly, the jeepney phase-out aligns with global trends in urbanization and public transportation by reflecting a commitment to modernize city transit system for sustainability and efficiency.
Yes, partner, actually. So, let's proceed to environmental consideration and global commitments. So, speaking of sustainability, partner, how does the jeepney phase-out contributes to environmental goals, and how does it align with the Philippine commitments on global scale?
Well, modernizing the jeepney fleet supports the country's commitments to reduce carbon emission and combat climate change. This aligns with global efforts to create greener and more sustainable urban transportation systems.
Yes, partner. So, the jeepney phase-out contributes, jeepney contributes to environmental goals by newer eco-friendly vehicles, reducing carbon emission, and aligning with the Philippines' global commitments and combat climate change. So, did you know, partner, that many drivers and operators protest the new franchise for modern jeepneys?
Yes, partner. For most of the drivers are protesting for they cannot afford to renew and franchise modern vehicles.
Yes, partner, that's true. So actually, partner, there is no phase out. They are just trying to modernize.
Oh.
But they are not phasing out the units. The old vehicles and jeepney that are no longer suitable because they are smoky and damaged will be replaced a new unit. That's why, partner. So next is challenges of globalization for local industries.
So in the process of modernization, what challenges do local industries such as jeepney manufacturers face in the context of globalization?
Well, that's very easy, partner. So modernization brings opportunities and also poses challenges for local industries. A global competition and the need to meet international standards can be demanding. We'll explore how local business navigate these challenges in the evolving landscape.
So let's move on to preserving cultural heritage amidst change. So how can we balance the need for modernization with the preservation of cultural heritage? And why is it essential to maintain a connection to our roots?
Oh, that's very interesting question, partner. So it's by preserving cultural heritage is crucial. Well, discuss how the jeepney modernization programs aims to blend innovation with cultural identity, ensuring that the essence of this beloved mode of transport is not lost in the transition mode.
So as we conclude this exploration into the jeepney phase-out, it's evident that local issues are intricately connected to global trends.
That's right, partner. The Philippines, in its pursuit of modernization, is navigating the delicate balance between progress and preserving cultural fabrics that makes nation unique. So that's all for today. Thank you for joining our podcast. Stay tuned for more discussion and intersection for local, issue, and global scale. This is Chad,
And this is Honey,
signing off.